tầm mơ tiền mà chút tầm mơ mạng mơ tiền của nó đá nó lẹo nó bồng bồn này 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 số lẹo là bồng bồn này 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 đôi sột này thì một lẹo trong bạc nó lẹo bị cầm cưới cầm đôi cầm tí buồn tí pram nó không tung chườm ở vào màn này cú sờ màn trong bạc nó bạc hay bạc khua chẳng nữa tầm mơ tiền tốt liền tưng nam mô tàu chân tầm một tia sân một phố nữa sầm nắng cái thơm tia tam đan cái đường này ô này spicy chia riệp xua cái vô chơi tục ói là một phố nó chơi này thì ói nếu ở cái tục cho mưa này bờ ngay thì bờ ngay tích mò bờ ngay tích mò mưa này để chơi này kiểu vô tục ói đấy. Hi amigo, how you doing? Good. You eat yet? Huh? You want to eat noodles? Noodles. I can go home and cook noodle for you. Here, my house is behind me, behind this house. You want to eat noodle? I cook noodle with it's hot, spicy. Can you eat spicy? Okay, let me go home. Huh?
Not too spicy.
Not too spicy. let me go home and check, okay? Yeah. Okay, let me update video.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Your son is not here today?
No.
Man, only you.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go get something to eat for you to eat, okay? Yeah. Ta rút bài ở cật một ngày nó cố nọt mò đây. Amigo,
Yeah.
when the sun come up, it's a warm day. I'm gonna collect this wood
Okay.
and put close to the fan. I'm gonna build like a stand, build a stand and put. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm gonna build. I told you I'm gonna build a shade. It's like small house. Yeah. Thơm để anh. គ្នាធ្វើហ្នឹងក៏มันអានេះមកណាបងប្អូនមកតារារៈតាអីណាណែត្រាភាវីតារារៈជម្រាបសួរនេះផ្ទះចាស់ដែលភ្លើងឆេះនៅវាឆេះថាសំឡីប៉ណ្ណឆេះអីវ៉ាន់ណាវាអត់ឆេះណាអីវ៉ាន់កន្លែងនេះឆេះអស់បងប្អូនវីដេអូអីណាកុំព្យូទ័រអីឆេះអស់ប៉ុន្តែអីវ៉ាន់នៅក្នុងផ្ទះប្រើអត់បានទេបងប្អូនអីវ៉ាន់ក្នុងផ្ទះវាអូអានោះហុយកើតមហារីកណាបងប្អូននោះអានេះណានេះសំឡីនេះអត់បានទេណាបងប្អូននេះសំឡីនេះវាមិនមែនដូចសំឡីយើងទេណាអានេះសំឡី fiber glass ណាអានេះវាទៅចាក់ណាចាក់នៅក្នុងសួតយើងហ្នឹងណាវាអត់ចេះតែលាយទេអាហ្នឹងតែចូលអានេះអត់បានពាក្យម៉ាស់ណាបងប្អូនអត់បានពាក្យម៉ាស់ចេញសិនបងប្អូនចេញសិននៅកើតកំពុងបោះហ្នឹងហុយណាចូលទៅរ៉ូមីអីកើតមកណារ៉ូមីកើតថ្ងៃទី5បងប្អូនថ្ងៃទី5តរោណែរោឆុងមីអីកើតបានតិចបងប្អូនជំរឿស្អែកទិញភីសាឲ្យគាត់ញ៉ាំមួយបកូនគាត់មកទៅ Costco ទិញភីសាឲ្យគាត់ញ៉ាំមួយភីសា Costco វាថោកធំបណ្ណាបណ្ណៃធំបណ្ណាបណ្ណៃ$10 $9.90ណាអត់វាឆ្ងាញ់មិនឆ្ងាញ់ទេភីសានៅ Costco បានតែធំប៉ុន្តែអត់ឆ្ងាញ់ទេបងប្អូនម្សៅវាអត់ឆ្ងាញ់នេះផ្ទះជួលបងប្អូននៅផ្ទះជួលផ្ទះហ្នឹងប្រហែលជា9 ខែគេថារួចណា9 ខែទៅរកឆុងមីគាត់បន្តិចសិនចាំមើលគាត់ញ៉ាំបានទេបងប្អូនណាពួកមីស៊ីកូឥឡូវនេះការធ្វើផ្ទះធ្វើអីណាកាត់ស្មៅធ្វើផ្ទះធ្វើសួនច្បារណាលាបផ្ទះដាក់ដបូផ្ទះប៉កែពួកណាហើយធ្វើលឿនទៀតណាធ្វើលឿនហើយធ្វើស្អាតទៀតធ្វើមីកិនតិចចាំមើលឆៅមេឃនេះវានៅតិចទេបងប្អូនណាពីណាមកណាមីនៅតិចចូលបាយកទៅឲ្យគាត់បាយកទៅឲ្យគាត់មើលចូល បើដឹងបងស្រីដឹងបើទៅមើលផ្ទះសិនយកមកហូបយកទៅឲ្យគាត់ញ៉ាំគោរត់មកថ្ងៃមកទៅអូAmigo Amigo here rice no not noodles now you eat rice fry beef and spicy no spicy yeah water I don't know if I have only that much
It's okay. Thank you.
yeah enjoy it yeah
It's getting close.
getting close yeah doing far good yeah I don't want to live with that house you know I want to come back to my old house
Yeah.
I miss this house now this house is has a lot of memory
Mm-hmm.
yeah Mexicans you from Mexico that's right when the people pass away you go and bury in the cemetery that's right for us Buddhists mostly we cremate you know cremate
Oh, yeah.
we burn
Yeah.
we collect the ashes most of the time the people put the ashes in the Buddhist temple
Oh, okay.
they have like a safe storage from and then I put my wife
In there.
1 month
One bucket.
I cannot sleep I miss her
Yeah.
say that because when I went to the you can enjoy
How many years you guys got
Married?
together? Yeah.
since 1984
84.
yes she passed away over 40 years yeah and I bring the ashes to the temple and I saw about 20 urn you know they put in urn and some of them like collapse like dusty you know I saw the picture nobody take care say no I'm not gonna go up to the attic you know the temple attic 11 step you know like the ladder right to go up behind the big Buddha you know we believe Buddha and they have put some urn like fell nobody take care like the dust like you know the dust and no
Well, it's the same with the cemetery. People go bury them, they never come back to clean or nothing.
and then to say no I have my wife is like an angel you know like an angel she help my family in Cambodia after we married my wife work 2 jobs to send money I have 6 siblings 5 sisters 1 brother and 2 parents my wife the one who work 2 jobs send money you know send money home so, keep my family her family all die during the communists when the communists come they kill both parents they kill her brother you know and she have 1 brother 1 sister in the US in Cambodia she has nobody
Nobody?
yes she really love my family and then I say no when she pass away say no I'm not gonna put my wife there I bring home I clean every day you know I pray I made it I don't know if you like it try Cambodian food It's a fried beef, and like some kind of cabbage, no? Cabbage pickle, a little sour. Yeah, try it. Yeah. And you know, I say I have to bring my wife home so that I can take care every day. Yeah, I build what I call like a table. You know, put a table, flower, and put her, and I pray every day for her. Yeah, because she, you know.
So how old are you?
70.
70?
70, turn 71 on April 2nd. April 2nd. How it tastes, amigo? How do you like it? Okay? Okay? A little sour, okay?
No.
That's called pickle, like cabbage. Yeah. And we build everything to me and my wife. We build this house, you know. Like like this one, the kitchen, you know, the window, everything we built together.
My father is 71 too.
And then your father, yeah. And then you know we go everywhere. You see my wife, my the Tesla that I drive, she bought 2023. You know, and then it's her car, but she doesn't know how to drive. She drive, and then she drive my old car.
So that's your truck right there?
That's my truck. I pull the battery out because the battery dead. If I have to pull the battery and charge regularly at my house, yeah. When I need yeah. I have too many car, old car. I need to sell. I have another Acura MDX. That's my wife's car. You see the Acura MDX behind? It's old, 2001. The first Acura. That's her first new car. Her first new car. The second new car is the white one that I drive. Her second. Yeah, but she did not know how to drive. She have problem, you know, with the computer. So I try her car. Yeah. A lot of dust. Yeah. How you work with Charles a lot? Do you work with him? Just
The first time?
the first time? Yeah.
Yeah.
He give you a good contract. A good contract. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah. There's so many people come to us, you know, to sign contract. Say no, Charles. I make this how I make mistake because I don't know the process. I don't know how to start. You know, and Charles is my daughter's friend. They hang out together, and then Charles took over. Charles took over. Charles the one who signed contract. And when I look at the charge, the contract, the charge, I think he charged high. He charged the insurance very high. Look when I look at the plan, doesn't cost that much. I talk after that. I get to know many people, many contractors, even the contractor in my community. You know, and I went to the Buddhist temple. I met an architect. He also an architect. Also, he's a builder. He's a builder and architect. And I sent the plan. I sent Charles' plan to him. And yeah, he asked how much. This house cost close to 500,000.
good?
The insurance 467. They can add more money. The insurance, my insurance, very good, you know. And then I asked one of the big builder. His name is Thach Nguyen, very popular. He's a Vietnamese. I know him long time ago, about over 20 years ago. And I talked to him and he said, no, my house would cost that much money because my house very small. Yeah, he said that would cost. But Charles, every time I asked him for change, he said, he add the money. He said, I will charge you more. You remember?
Yeah.
Yesterday he said, gonna be more if you change the plan. The plan are all his group, the architect, you know, the architect. You know how much the architect, I told you yesterday, that's right. My insurance very nice, they pay for the plan, over 13,000. And then I asked to change the roof, 5,000 more. You know, and then I asked the guy I met at the Buddhist temple, it's an American guy. He's retired. He retired. I don't know where. He said he retired. He's not working, but he's a builder and also he's an architect. He said, your house 1,400 square feet, and this one is about 250 square feet. This house probably is about 1,007 square feet. He said that we would not cost that much. But when charge almost 500,000, you know. He said that the architect was this, and also the architect charge 18,000, 5,000 with the change. I pay from my own pocket with the change, you know.
Too much money.
And then I asked the guy the builder who also an architect. He said that I can draw you for free. I am retired, you know. I draw you for free if I know him first. And then when he knew that I get the own architect, and I also pay the architect. He doesn't want to get involved. He doesn't want me to fight with Charles, you know. But I know that it's overcharged.
That's a lot of money.
Make sure that you know, you have a good contract. You know, you're happy with.
It's like building a brand new house.
Yeah. Oh, that's the architect, the builder who told me it's a brand new house. He said that from buy the land, it's cost the land and also the cost of the material of building a house and plan. He said that if I build a house, I would pay that much, brand new house and about 3,000 square feet. About 3,000 square feet, brand new house. He said brand new house costs about. He said that brand new house costs about 400,000. 3,000 square feet. With medium material. Medium, not the high end like hardwood, everything. Just medium, like a normal house that they build. He said cost around 40,000 to 50,000. That good house and big house. Your house is too. He said my house is like a storage. So it would cost not much. You know, would cost that much. You need I did the right I have left.
No.
You need more?
No.
Amigo, I get a cup of noodle for you.
No, it's fine. Thank you.
Tomorrow, I'll like this. Tomorrow, if your son gonna come tomorrow,
Maybe.
yeah. If I'll go get pizza for you. I go to Home Depot, get Home Depot pizza. You eat okay, that's right. Okay. Some people, yeah. Some people they don't like. They used to like. Some people used to eat like myself. I'm picky. I like Mexican food like enchilada, chalupa. That's my favorite taco.
Yeah.
But I hate Malaysian food. You know Malaysian curry. I hate Indian food. I never eat Indian food. I never.
Very spices.
I work for the city of Seattle. The rest of my life since 1986 until I retired, and I work with students, high school students. I manage high school students, students who drop out from high school,
Okay.
and then I work with the University of Washington. And around University of Washington, there's a lot of Malaysian food, a lot of Indian food. My friend asked me to go to Indian. Oh no, I don't like it. Yeah, I eat Ethiopian food one time. Ethiopian food. Some food look similar, spicy, look similar Cambodian.
Yeah, my wife works with a Korean guy.
Korean guy.
Yeah. So we.
You agree? Okay, you handle okay. That's right. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, they do. You know where the stained glass is?
Yeah.
The stuff they put in the doors. That's what they make. Windows for stained glass.
Stained glass.
Yeah.
Wow, good. Yeah. So this how you gonna handle the drywall? That's right, drywall.
He mentioned something about it. We still not agreed to anything on that. But
I want
he
you to
asked-
take. I want you to take. Keep the job.
Yeah, he asked.
No, just like take the. You know, because the job right now is very hard to find a job. I went to Home Depot, so I feel so bad. You know, the people stand in the rain. You know, it's. You know, I used to have children. You know. I think they have children too.
Yeah.
They have to feed each children. You know,
It's hard.
it's hard. Life is. You know, I saw them stand in the rain. You know, just when I stop by, they just come. You know, it's hard. Sometimes I give them no. I have money. I give them $5 each. Too many people, I give $5. Hey, just get small food like hot dog. You know, hot dog that right now don't cost $5. They cost like $7. You know.
Yeah, everything is expensive.
Yeah, everything expensive. You know. I saw them. That means just keep the job. You know. Drywall. You know, and you know how to do siding also. That's right. Okay. They say, hey, you know, I can do siding. I do everything. You know. When you get a job, make sure you keep it the job until you finish the project. You know. I think Charles is looking for many people. I saw him. He invites so many people come. I don't know who gonna get. You know.
Yeah.
When the sun is sunny day, I'm gonna go in to collect the wood.
Okay.
Yeah, collect the wood and put outside.
Yeah, we're gonna stack it probably over there in the garage. When I put,
Yeah,
I'm gonna take that floor out.
yeah.
When I take that floor, I can stack it right in the garage.
Oh, okay. You know, sometimes I just want to make like this, clear up the space for you, so that you don't step on it and the nail. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's we're gonna help you out when. Okay, amigo. I'm not gonna bother you anymore. You are welcome. I'll see you later.
See you.
Yes.